My name is 𝒉𝒊𝒂𝒚𝒊. I have been working at the factory for more than 13 years. We also collect some historical brass instruments. Some people say the circle shape helps to make the sound a little bit warmer.
Now we're going to learn how to play these instruments.
Okay, you're gonna wake up the military. What message did you send to your army?
Surrender.
Okay, let me bring you to my friend's house. He's a whole Taiwanese house too. He's a musician.
I really enjoy this place, and we will try to create a kind of dynamic for her local cultural activities here.
This place is to bring people to the music and the art who don't get used to go to museum or musical hall.
So as we know, Chiayi is a place full of arts and culture. So to learn a little bit more about the culture of Chiayi, we're here at a place that builds brass instruments.
Cool.
And I want to show off my amazing musical prowess to the both of you by playing this very large brass instrument.
Oh, that was really good.
That's already something, yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
Can you beat that?
How do you do it?
Just
Okay.
don't think about it.
Don't think about it?
Yeah, it's a feeling.
Right. Just go with the flow, right?
And in third place, we have Morris.
Hey, how's it going, mate?
Hi.
Hi.
So who was the best so far?
Of course, me. So it's my turn to. Okay.
Please.
You guys are very welcome to be my guest today. And my name is 𝒉𝒊𝒂𝒚𝒊. I have been working at the factory for more than 13 years.
And so in this exhibition museum, like we've seen some mini trumpets, French horns, but I've been surprised not to see any saxophones.
Yeah, and actually, saxophone belongs to the woodwind instrument, but actually we only make brass wind instrument here. We also collect some historical brass instrument. For instance, we have a natural trumpet here. It was made in 1840. And we also got a key bugles here. It's probably the first instrument with the keys, so we can make a tuning.
Why does some of these brass, well, probably all of them are, why do they have to swirl?
Some people say the circle shape
Yeah.
helps to make the sound a little bit warmer.
Oh, okay.
Smooth sounds.
How long does it get for the instrument to get sort of started to get rusty and?
For the modern brass instrument, we tend to put a coating on the surface to prevent it getting rusty. So, but in the old days, the old instrument, they don't have coatings. So the color start to change maybe after a few months of use.
Oh, just a few months.
Yeah.
So the parts that are still gold is because that's where they're touched, right? So where they're touched a lot, they're not rusted. So you can see like this part of the horn is gold, but the rest of it, which isn't touched, is
Smart.
That's how metal works.
Yes.
We've all taken chemistry class, right?
Yeah, in like 8th grade maybe.
So now we're going to learn how to play these instruments, and to teach us, we have Carl Lee, who is the CEO of this factory.
It's called mini bugle.
Mini bugle.
Mini bugle. Oh, sounds like I'm back in the army, in the military. Wow.
And this called mini pocket trumpet.
Mini pocket trumpet. So it kind of looks like a French horn. But
Yes,
it's actually a type of trumpet.
Yeah.
Nice.
This one
Yes.
looks
yes.
like a saxophone.
So it's meant to look like a saxophone.
Ah, yes.
Right.
You can shake your body.
You can play it like a saxophone. Oh. Can we try it?
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna wake up the military. What message did you send to your army?
Surrender.
So hello Chiayi. Here I am.
Very well.
Thank you.
Okay, let me bring you to my friend's house. He's a whole Taiwanese house too. He's a musician, and you will meet Frank.
Let's go for it.
Allô. Salut.
Bonjour.
Bienvenue. Entrez. Welcome.
So Frank, Christophe just told us that you are an ethnomusicologist as well as a professional cellist. So I'm very curious, what is this place and why did you choose to settle here?
As an anthropologist, I've been living many years in Himalayas among farmers. And the first time I came to Chiayi, I was searching for a house, and then I went to this temple, and then I came to the marketplace here. And I saw immediately, the few guys, old people, selling few vegetables. And then I felt immediately comfortable because I had the impression that I was back to Kathmandu or to the village in the Himalayas and where the people, farmers are also, and then people here are especially kind. I have a very, very good relation with local people. Even I don't speak Thai, they welcome me in many ways. I really enjoy this place. That I will restore the place, and then we will try to create a kind of dynamic for her local cultural activities here. This family built this house almost 100 years ago, and so now she's 93, 94 years old, and she used to say, in this small room, my brother was to sleep there, and she went to the kitchen and said, oh yes, I remember we were using the firewood, like this through the generation, It's also nice to try to establish a kind of continuity.
This place is to bring people to the music and the art who don't get used to go to museum or musical hall. That's why he say he liked to play for the neighbor, because many people, when he was performing here and do the music, was really the neighbor, the local people, and some maybe was the first time they are listening to classical music. And this is a really interesting thing with this place, is for all kind of people.